Every time my family has a cookout, my brother-in-law always makes this Caribbean potato salad, and there's never any left, and you'll see why. I'm going to teach you how to make it with my friend Annie. She's here visiting from Jamaica, and it's time to cook out. Anastasio's Aspect, everything home, lifestyle, and more. Let's go. Here's everything you'll need to make a delicious potato salad with a recipe straight from Jamaica. Let's go. Just a few easy steps and you'll have yourself the best dish to bring to a party, and I guarantee you everybody will be asking you for the recipe. There's something about the way it's made with the vegetables and the eggs and everything else that really puts it all together, and I swear the best part is that you can eat it warm like mashed potatoes or even cold like traditional American potato salad. I'm really not lying. Every time my brother-in-law brings us to a barbecue, my family literally dies for it, and there's none left ever. Check out our barbecue spread the other day. Jamaican jerk chicken, you got Jamaican rice, everything. It was perfect. And look at the empty bowl. Follow me for more family recipes. Anastasio's Aspect.